Paying your credit card bill on time simply isn't enough to maximize your credit score. I'm about to reveal a no BS simple timing strategy that helped my client increase their credit score by over 200 points in 2 months. And this was so simple without her changing her spending habits or payment amounts. Look, your credit score nearly affects everything in your financial life. Mortgage applications, car loans, apartment applications, and also some job opportunities. They all require a very healthy credit score. Even a modest credit score improvement can save you thousands of dollars in interest over time. The frustrating part, most people do everything right. They pay on time, keep their accounts open, avoid late fees, but their credit scores just won't shift. And that's simply because they're missing that one piece of advice that credit card holders are not told about by credit card companies. Look, here's what changes absolutely everything. Credit card companies report your balance to credit bureaus on your statement date, not your payment date. This means if you have a $1,000 balance when your statement is generated on, let's say, the 15th, that's exactly what appears on your credit card, even if you pay it off completely on the 20th. Your credit card company only sees what's reported on the statement date. The payment made 5 days later, they have no idea what was made and how much was made. They don't know it happened until next statement is generated. This is why the timing of your payment matters more than anything, and it's more than what people realize. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through 3 payment timing strategies that work for different situations, the exact steps to find your statement dates and set up your payment schedule. I'm going to reveal a real client case study showing exactly how this increased their credit score by over 200 points in less than 2 months. Look, this is no BS. This is a simple action plan that you can start using today, where you can see these results within the next 30 to 60 days. So let's dive in. Once you understand this timing, you can control exactly what the credit bureaus see. Here are 3 proven strategies. Strategy number 1, the zero balance method. Pay your full balance 3 to 5 days before your statement date. This shows 0% utilization, which can significantly boost your credit score. This is the best method for people who want a high utilization with really fast result. Strategy number 2, the sweet spot method. Keep a small balance between 1 to 9% of your credit limit. When your statement generates, then pay it off by the due date. This shows really active, responsible credit use. This is ideal for people who want to demonstrate credit activity. And strategy number 3, the multiple payment method. This is where you make several credit card payments throughout the month to keep your running balance really low, so when that statement date arrives, there's a very small balance left on your credit card bill. This is perfect for those people who have irregular income or high monthly spending. The key thing to note here is knowing your statement date and planning around it, not your payment due date. If you look here, you can see my statement date is on the 28th of May, but my payment due date is on the 22nd of June. Let me share with you my client's story. She had a credit score of 550 despite never missing a credit card payment. Her issue was that she had a $2,000 credit card limit, but spent $1,600 every month, utilizing at least 80% of her credit utilization. The one thing I asked her to change was to pay her credit card bill at least 3 days in advance of the actual statement date. This means it was the same spending, the same total payments. I just applied a different timing date to clear off her balance. Her results were outstanding because her credit score increased to 772 in 2 months. Why? Because credit utilization makes up 30% of your credit score, and we dropped hers from 80% to 5%. Results do vary by individual situations, but the principle works consistently. Now, if you want to know what's the best credit card for you, you need to watch my video, Best Credit Card for Beginners in 2025. Here are some clear action plans that I've put in place for you. Step number 1, find your statement date or call your credit card company to find out what this actually is. Step number 2, set a reminder in your phone 3 to 5 days before your statement close date so you can take action. And step number 3, choose your strategy based on your goals. Do you want to maximize your credit score and give it a boost? If so, you need to pay this down to zero balance before your statement close date. This will show you have a very minimum credit card activity. If you want to show credit card activity, keep 1 to 5% of your credit limit on your statement due date. If you have irregular spending, well, you need to use the multiple payments method. You should see improvements within 1 to 2 statement cycles, and that's 30 to 60 days. Remember, the difference between good and excellent credit often comes down to simple timing strategies, not complicated strategies. Try this method with your next statement cycle and see the difference it can really make. If you've liked this video, please don't forget to give it a like and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the notifications bell for my future videos. Please let me know in the comments what topic you would like me to cover in my next video, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.